Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're doing interior stuff today on Andrew's car. This is all the interior stuff we're gonna be putting in today. Trying to finish off this black interior conversion. Andrew's over here fiddling with for no reason. Oh yeah, no cussing. Demonetized. Anyways, he's fiddling with the vents because he bought this. You want to explain it? I don't know what it is.
So there's this guy named, I think it was Scott Chamberlain, on the Facebook groups, SC300, 400 mods, and he basically 3D printed the bezel piece right here, because oftentimes these crack due to like the heat, and so he 3D printed it, and I ordered it and I put it on the original vents. Yeah, it fits pretty good. And the vents work pretty smoothly too.
Yeah, that's a dope piece right there. So, like I said, we're gonna do the black interior conversion, and Andrew decided to wrap the wood trim in this gray kind of vinyl. I like it because it matches his engine that's tucked away in here. The valve cover is a similar type of silver color, so I kind of like that. And then, yeah, other than that, it's just gonna be stock black interior. The roof that we did, and black suede, and black dash, and yeah, black carpet now. That seat has to go. Andrew currently doesn't have any seats for this car, so that seat's gonna have to stay for now. We're using an SC300 steering wheel, and I don't know if we're gonna put anything in the back. And yeah, we fixed the cluster.
What I did to get my needles working again is I replaced the LEDs behind the needle. I replaced the motor behind the needle, and there's also these two boards in the back of the motors that control the motion of the needle. And on those boards, there's gonna be like capacitors on there. Basically, you're gonna change each of those capacitors out, and then also you're going to jump the it's called an R109 resistor. That's what controls your tach too, and that's what got my speedometer to work and tachometer.
He's a bit of a perfectionist, so he redid all the wiring with Tessa tape and some loom covers. So he redid all the wiring on it, make it look nice again. If I could focus, there we go. But yeah, should come out pretty good. We'll see you here in a bit. Well, boys, that's a wrap for this one. Appreciate you watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. She's coming together. A little bit more to go. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.